Let's have a couple of bites. How is it?
This one will be without Thompson. It will be
Yeah.
too tough.
So, Warriors or Lakers?
No. Until I die, I will be a warrior.
Okay.
Come on.
Every now we get ice cream, which is probably not great, but look at that.
So I was sitting here eating my ice cream and I told Dan, just look over your right shoulder.
Look at that.
Look at that. Go up.
It's like, yeah, we're in Valencia with our ice cream once again. My stomach is showing it.